Hi, this video is going to be on informal language. Now, to start with, we have a colloquialism, legged it up the road. Now, it's a colloquialism because it says legged it. We wouldn't really use this in a formal essay per se. We would probably say ran up the road instead. But colloquialisms can help to give this relaxed tone to a piece of writing, and also in literature it can help to characterize certain characters and work alongside dialects to create this as well. Now, a good example of dialect is checking out Me History by John Agard. You may have studied this, you may not have, it doesn't matter. Just an example. So we have dem tell me what dem want to tell me. And here we have dem instead of them, written D-E-M. And this is an example of a phonetic language. So this is spelled phonetically. So we know it means them, but written there we know we have to pronounce it dem because it's written in this dialect, and that's the same with wadem as well. And the use of dialects can help to challenge our understanding of the written English language as well, challenge the colonial norms of it, and it can also just help to characterize a piece of writing. And as well as this, we can think about in the context of older texts, so 19th century text would perhaps tend to write more formally, or what we consider now to be more formally, and in the 21st century it's a lot more acceptable to use casual language. Obviously not in everything, we have formal language for certain purposes, but there is that distinction there we can make with certain pieces of text. Thanks for listening.